everybody, today I'm going to be doing my very first impressions video. I'm still figuring out the whole camera situation, so it's probably going to be going in and out of focus a lot. I know it's distracting, sorry. So basically, I got asked by this company to try out some new products here. So I just received some new stuff in this package here. So this is going to be the first, the kind of unboxing of it and my first impression of it. Alright, well first of all, it came in a super cute bag. And I got 2 lip products. This is the company My Tubes Cosmetics. They do really nice matte liquid lipsticks apparently, so I'm going to be trying it out. So here's the packaging. This first color I'm going to try. These both look like really super like fall colors, which I personally love. It's still summertime. I don't really see a name, to be honest, but it's color 1010. I don't think that's really doing anything. Okay, so it's just a simple tube here. Regular doe foot applicator. I guess it's kind of like a brick, kind of orangey color. I'm not going to line my lips. I'm just going to apply it directly onto this as my mirror here. Okay, so it's really pigmented. Super thick consistency. It's starting to mattify pretty quickly. So I actually really like this color a lot. So this would be really, really beautiful in the fall. I mean, I'll probably wear it in summertime anyways because it's really pretty. It dries really nicely. It's not sticky at all. It's still a little bit wet. I gotta give it a minute. This is the color. I really like it. I think it's really pretty. If I could compare the way that it feels to another liquid lipstick, it would probably be Too Faced liquid lipsticks. Hey, nice. What else can I kiss? Nothing in my hand. Sweet. Nothing on it. I mean, it's not like the kind that you see that you can like do this and smear it across your face and it's not gonna go anywhere. This will go somewhere, just like the Too Faced would. If you eat oily, greasy food, I don't see this staying very long in the waterline of your lips. But it's a very nice color. I like it. I would like to see how easy this is to take off. I'm using the micellar water, and this one is by Garnier. Alright, now that I've finally got it off, I'm going to be trying the next color, which this one says 2007. Okay, so this one's pretty. I really, really like these liquid lipsticks. Once they dry, they're very, very comfortable. They don't feel thick at all. These are my Tea Lips by My Tubes Cosmetics. Color 2007, and the first one I had on was 1010. I will put down in my caption or description box how they lasted throughout the day. Feels good, dries really nicely, matte. And the colors are very pigmented, and it's thick, so a little bit of it goes a long way. Super weird talking to myself, by the way, because my whole family is asleep. Alright, well, until next time, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you again next time.